Meron na daw food club dito sa Alabang, pinipilahan kaya pinuntahan namin ito. Ang dami niyang seat capacity at syempre marami ka ring mapagpipili ang food dito. Imagine, more than 100 dishes ang mapagpipilian mo. Affordable kaya mag-e-enjoy talaga ang buong pamilya dito. For as low as 698 pesos, may experience mo na ang live kitchens and food stations featuring Filipino, Japanese, Chinese, and Western cuisine. Amazing, right? They offer discounts to kids, seniors, and even PWDs. And yes, meron din sila ditong birthday promos at alam nyo ba, hanggang katapusan ng August ang kanilang graduation promo. At lastly, meron din sila ditong 20+2 promo. O, ba? Diba? Just like others, strict din sila sa kanilang no leftover policy. And for now, they're only accepting cash payments. But with no service charge ito ha, at wala ring hidden fees. Eto pala yung kanilang operating hours and yes, they do accept reservations din. At don't worry, meron din silang other branches na baka mas malapit pa sa inyo. By the way, this is located at the second floor east wing of Festival Mall. Kaya naman if you're from the south and looking for a perfect spot to celebrate your birthdays and special occasions with friends and family, sugod na dito sa Food Club Alabang.